You guys, my hair is so long today and it's getting stuck in everything. It got stuck in all of the feathers and the glue. I cannot with this wig. It is, ugh. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Today's video is another Dollar Tree DIY. Today we are going to turn this boring wooden turkey into this. For this tutorial, you will need a wooden turkey, obviously. You will need brown felt or brown fur. And I actually got these wing looking things at a thrift store for $1.95, so it was cheaper for me to do that. And you can cut out, you know, the little circles like this if you want to. It probably wouldn't take too long to do, but I mean, you could just do the plain brown felt as well. But I just found this and thought it was really suiting for this project. And then you will need feathers and you'll need one eyeball. You can pick any eyeball size you want, but I think this is going to be just perfect for this turkey. If you want to paint the legs of your turkey, you'll need paint or markers, which is what I'm going to be using. So I'll be using the markers for this part, and the feet. And you'll also need glue for the project, and I'm going to be using Fabri-Tac glue, and you can get this from Joann or any craft store. But you can use, you know, probably tacky glue or hot glue, but this is just what I like to use. Okay, so let's make this turkey. The first thing I'm doing is coloring the feet and the beak, and you can use paint or markers. As I explained earlier in the intro, I am going to be using these little wings that I got from a thrift store, and it's made out of felt. And you can use felt or fur, or you can paint it or color it as well. Do whatever you want to do, just be creative with it. And I just thought that this would be great to use for this. And then of course I'm going to be using my Fabri-Tac glue. So I had to put the wings on opposite sides, so it looks a little weird, but I'm hoping it's just going to give it more dimension. But I think it'll be fine. It's just the way that the turkey is laid out. I want to make sure that I have enough felt to cover it. Now I'm just cutting off the extra felt that I don't need. Now it's time to take your feathers, and this is the part that I messed up. I did not mean to do this, but I accidentally glued the feathers on the front of the turkey. And I know good and dang well that it is not going to work on this felt. I don't know why I tried it yet again, like I did in my last Thanksgiving video, but here we are. So I glued all of these on, and of course they did not stick. So I am going to glue them on the back. Before I put my feathers on the back of the turkey, I decided to just go ahead and change this out, this little ribbon at the top or twine, whatever it was. I wasn't crazy about it, so I switched it over to this beautiful yellow ribbon, and I think it looks a lot better with that. So as you guys saw earlier, here is the turkey and it is finished and I am very happy with it. But what is it with me and felt, you guys? When am I going to learn that glue does not work on felt? It's still kind of drying a little bit, so I did get the eyeball to stay. I think it's on there. I hope so. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you can find inspiration from it to make your own Thanksgiving decorations. Whatever that may be. Jack and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, comment, let me know what you think about it, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.